Good morning, friends. Today's PNC problem is taken from previous year IIT JEE question package. In a certain test, there are n questions. In this test, 2 raised to power n minus I students gave wrong answers to at least I questions, where I is from 1 to n. If total number of wrong answers given is 2047, then find n. Now the basic idea in these type of PNC problem is to do such PNC problem from scratch. Now suppose if the question says that 2 raised to power n minus I students gave wrong answers to exactly one question, then what would be our approach be? Our approach would be 2 raised to power n minus 1 into 1 plus 2 raised to power n minus 2 into 2 plus 2 raised to power n minus 3 into 3 plus 2 raised to power n minus n into n equal to 2047, and after solving this we get our answer. But the question says that 2 raised to power n minus I students gave wrong answers to at least I question. So now the main idea comes when 2 raised to power n minus 1 students gave at least one wrong question and 2 raised to power n minus 2 students gave at least two wrong questions. It means that 2 raised to power n minus 1 students can do one wrong, two wrong, or more than one wrong, and 2 raised to power n minus 2 can do two wrong, three wrong, more than two wrong. So if we subtract or take common from these two, we get that 2 raised to power n minus 1 minus 2 raised to power n minus 2 students give exactly one wrong question. Note that this is the main idea of this problem, to interpret this statement. And again, interpreting the two statements, we get that 2 raised to power n minus 2 minus 2 raised to power n minus 3 students gave exactly two wrong questions, gave exactly wrong answers to two questions. Now similarly we can interpret all the students, and our main equation looks like this, and after solving this we get a GP with common ratio half, and again on solving we get 2 raised to power n equals to 2048, we get n equals 11. For more PNC problems, join my Telegram group and get instant solution.